Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I am taking my girls for their first ever proper camping trip and we're heading up to the Lake District. We're doing a bit of camping, a bit of hiking, see what we can find and a little bit of fishing. So join us for the journey and hope you enjoy.
All right, I think that'll be perfect for the girls to sleep on. Two of them bad boys. Let's carry on.
Right, we are done, people. Ready to get the car packed up, let's get out of there. Right, run our way, 2 hours, girls, all the way into the Lake District. Are we excited?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you sound so excited.
I'm very tired.
You're going to be doing a little bit of camping, a little bit of hiking, a little bit of fishing, a little bit of cooking. It's going to be a good day, innit?
Yeah.
And a good night, and a good day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Just got to watch for the snakes.
Bro.
Bro, watch for the snakes.
Right.
All right, let's go. Right, we've made it, we're here, and check out this view. It's just stunning. Oh, look at that. Just incredible. Oh, we can't pitch the tent until 2, so I think what we're going to do is go for a little wander and have a walk around some of the trails and see what we can find. So some 455 million years ago in the Ordovician period, this metamorphic site was formed. Its volcanic form was dug out and some of the materials were believed, or there's evidence to show that it was used back with the Henry VIII times, and even evidence to show that it was used by the Romans as well. Super interesting, and it's a top little site this to come to. Look at this, girls, clean cut through here, clean cut. Look at that. Right, the girls want to stop on the riverbank here for something to eat, so this is a lovely little spot. I think we'll have some food here, huh? Yeah.
Can you sit on the rock too?
Yeah. Some sausage rolls, some crisps, some snack attacks.
Yeah.
Banging sausage rolls. Right, nice fresh river, so we're going to get some nice water to drink. There we go. We've got our filter system there. It's cold, nice, refreshing. Nice. Guys, look how clear that water is. It's absolutely crystal clear. Just beautiful. This path crosses private property. Use the swings at your own risk.
Hey, it's got the swing. You're gonna swap the swing.
Yeah. So we're currently coming up to around
coming close to 4.5 kilometres done on this little Langdale route that we're doing. So where we are here in Langdale, we've just done a nice little 5k walk around Langdale through the valley and up the Cumbrian Way. And this place is ancient, like it dates back to the Neolithic era. And the first sort of human proper settlement here was likely to be the Bronze Age. And it's like this U-shaped valley. It's just incredible. I mean, and you've got all these incredible little streamy waterfalls like all over the place. The place is absolutely glorious. Well recommend anybody to get to Langdale, into the valley and up around the trails around here. And there's loads of tarns for fishing as well, which is amazing, which is where we're going very soon. Right, we're just at about 6k. It's going to mess with my OCD that. I need to get that to 6k. I'm going to keep walking till that is 6k because it's going to do me head in. But the girls have done fab, haven't you girls? Just up here until that is 6 kilometres. So it's going to drive me crackers if it doesn't. Hey, there we go, 6k, we're done. Right, let's go and get the tent pitched. Right, our little camping is up for the night. Not a bad little tent, to be fair. It'll do us.
Maybe
Right, the tent's set up, girls. We've got our beds up and everything, and we're ready to go and do a bit of fishing.
Yes, I am.
Yes, let's go and see if we can't catch a fish. We're going to Bleat Tarn. I'll tell you all about that when we get there. Right, I'm up at Bleat Tarn, up in Langdale. It's about a 15 to 20 minute drive from where we're staying. It's a small little lake surrounded by beautiful mountains, and there's supposed to be some nice trout in here. I don't know if I'll catch any, but we'll give it a go and see how it goes. It's a funny word, tarn. So in Wales you've got lins, in Scotland you've got lochs, and here you've got tarns, which is an old Norse word for tjorn. So they used to say the word tjorn, which is like mountain lake or mountain pond, and then over the years and decades it's changed to tarn. So that's where it comes from, tarn. It's an old Norse word. So there you go. Check this out. It's just stunning. Hopefully it's a bit windy. I'll try and get the drone up, but I don't know if I'll be able to, so I will give it a try. Okay. Well, Bleat Tarn was an amazing place, but we didn't catch any fish, but I don't care about that. It was just an amazing, awesome, beautiful place, panoramic mountain views, way up there, and what a place. But we're back at the campsite now, time to get some food on. Bear frisbee. Oh. Right, we've got some chicken curry on the go here. So, chicken curry with pasta. Proper camp food.
Mmm. Bit of chicken curry and pasta. Lovely. That was delicious. Right, ready for some dessert and then a coffee. And a hot chocolate for the girls. How about that? Magic box. Our little freezer. Oh, we've got some. What do you reckon, girls?
Okay,
Some cakes. We've got some Fox's biscuits.
No. Dirty boy.
Oh, and the other cookies are in my other bag. So we've got them.
So can I have one muffin?
What are we having? Are we having cakes?
We can have one cake and then one cookie.
Yeah. Which one do you want?
I'm definitely having the chocolate
The
one.
chocky one?
Yeah.
Have a chocky one.
And I have the
Have a chocky one.
ooh, that one the ice.
Go on then, grab that one. What do you want? Oh, the fairy one. I'm going to go for that one as well because that is
The sprinkles on it.
sprinkles on it, yeah. It's windy. It's windy now that the temperature's dropped massively. Oh.
Let's grab your cookie.
Mm-mm-mm. And we got Indulgent Centre Fox's biscuits as well. Oh my gosh, did you inhale that? Oh my word. Good, nice. Coffee and maybe a movie.
I'll move now.
My phone?
What do you know what?
Anything you want? Now, I am partial to a Fox's biscuit. The Indulgent Censored just hit different. They are magical. They are a magical biscuit with a centre that is just decadent.
So good.
Oh. Mmm.
Finish my cake.
Mmm.
Oh,
They are nice. Right, I'm going to have a coffee. Are you having the best time, Millie?
yeah.
The best time ever.
My favourite part was the cookies.
The cookies are the favourite part when you've got a view like that right behind you. Bro! Biscuits come first.
Yeah.
Before that scenic view right behind you. What about you, Savannah?
The cookies and the nap.
The cookies and the coming up nap. Unbelievable.
I also like the lakes, the rivers.
The lakes and the rivers.
There is something what can beat the cookies.
What?
Flying.
Oh. You've never had these Taylor's hot lava coffee bags. They're just great. It's like a tea bag, but it's coffee. But the flavour is just insane. I mean, I like Taylor's anyway, but these hot lava coffee bags are great for outdoors, fishing, walking, camping, whatever. Drop it in the bag, bang some boiling water in, ready to roll, man. And they are really flavourful. Right, girls, yeah?
Yippee!
Please don't spill it, it's very hot.
Oh!
We all comfy in there. So we were going to turn it in for the night, weren't we, girls? And we found that we've learned that there's a little waterfall here near us. So we thought we'd take a quick drive down and come and check out this waterfall. It's called Skelwith Force. Skelwith Force. So we're just on the hunt to see if we can find it. Sunset's in about 15 minutes. So we thought we'd come and quickly try and find it before it goes dark. So let's go. Well, good morning. It got down to -5 last night. It was cold. We didn't get much sleep. But we've got a big day today. We've got going to go and visit Cathedral Cave, which is not far from here, and I think there's another waterfall as well. I'm not sure if we'll get to that or not. The girls are absolutely knackered, but we're definitely going to go check out Cathedral Cave as well. That's somewhere that I want to go and check out. So I'm going to get some porridge on the go for the girls. I'm going to have my coffee and we'll get out of here. How's the breakfast, Savannah?
Really good.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
What flavour is it?
Apple and fruit. Very.
Oh, very nice. Yours is there as well, Millie. Alright, so we'll have breakfast then, finish my coffee, we'll get the tent down and we'll head off to the caves, hey?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Right, we're all packed up, ready to move on to our next location. We're going to go check out a massive cave. Are we ready for that?
Yeah.
It's going to be mega. It was cold last night, wasn't it, girls?
It was freezing.
Well, it's showing 12 degrees already, so it's turning out to be a stellar day. So let's go and check this cave out. Let's go.
Yeah.
We've got about maybe a kilometre max to get to the cave, so a little bit of a walk. But it's a glorious day, beautiful, and we've got nothing else to do. Let's exercise these legs. Let's do it. Oh, it's just glorious across there, isn't it? So Slater's Bridge is 1/4 mile up over that hill. Oh, we've got a kissing gate. Kissing gate. Are you recording me, bro?
Yeah.
So up over this little hill. So these are known as kissing gates. Mwah. Mwah. Right, we made it, guys. Cathedral Cave.
It's up there, then people.
Oh, here we go. This is mega.
Why am I so real scared?
This is mega.
Oh, it's dark.
A little bit dark, isn't it?
What if you get lost?
We won't get lost. Oh, wow, guys, look at this. Oh, wow. Look at this. Isn't that amazing, girls? Hey? Wow. Absolutely incredible. Wow. How smart is this? Oh, you're all right, no worries. Wow, look at that. It's just incredible, that, isn't it, Savannah?
Yeah.
You okay, Millie? Oh, well, you bounced, don't you?
Do we climb up?
Straight over there, then. There you go. You okay, Savannah? Yeah, yeah. Go to the left, to that way.
I don't know what to hold on.
You're fine. Look, we've got up there now. I had to put my camera away to get up, but we're back up. We're rolling. It's pretty cool. Lots to explore.
Do you want this? The horse stuff? Yeah, it's the horse stuff.
Right,
You okay, Savannah?
No, I don't like this.
Come on, you're absolutely fine. Look, there's another way out. We'll be able to get another way out. See? There's absolutely no problem. Brilliant. Oh, wow. Right, don't go close to that, please. Millie, do not go close to that, please. Wow.
I'm safe away from that. Keep still.
This is incredible.
Where do you think we've gone down there?
Have they? Right.
You don't want to go? We can go through water.
No, we need wellies and we've not got wellies. That's quite deep, that. Cool little cave though, that, isn't it? Yeah, that's probably a bit too deep, that, to get through there. Wow, another little cave. Look at that. It's wicked, this, isn't it?
Can we go in? Oh, no.
There's too much water in there, baby.
It's dark.
Yeah. I don't know where that one leads, but that's mega. Oh, that's into nothingness down there. Wow. Incredible. It's just wicked, isn't it? I'm following these people. Ooh. Right, I have to put the camera down. Right, go on, Millie. Do you want me to go first, or are you going first?
You're going first, Dad. I'm going
Right.
first. Just in case I can't see.
Right. Let me step down. You okay? Hey?
Need a torch.
Wow, this is incredible. You okay, Savannah? Hold your sister's hand. We alright? Yeah, watch your heads, guys. Bit low this. How cool is this, guys? This is well cool. Wow. To crouch low here. There's the way out. Wow, this has been wicked, this. Absolutely wicked. You okay, Savannah? Yeah, we did it. We made it. Yes. There you go. Ow! Bang the head. And I did say keep your head low. And I just whacked it.
My shoes are so.
It's alright, don't worry. It's fine. Look at this now. There we go.
Can we go back through that?
Should we go back through, Savannah? No.
Yes, I'll do.
Oh, wow. That was an adventure. Absolutely amazing. Defo worth checking out Cathedral Cave. That place is incredible. Millie loved it. Savannah half loved it. Going through the cave. And keep your head low on the way out because you will bang your napper. But defo worth a visit. Mega place. So we see if this place is open for a cheeky drink.
Yeah.
3 Shires in. Seems like appetizer, Coke and J2O and lemonade. At the 3 Shires in. And we sat by a little creek, a little waterfall thing, stream, whatever you want to call it. It's lovely, isn't it lovely?
It's lovely.
Lovely. With that back view there. Oh my word, what a day. I will never get bored of looking at that view. Look at the beautiful house that, what a beautiful house. There he is. Right, nice and refreshed. We had a nice ice cold drink from the 3 Shires Inn. So let's go and see our last stop of the tour of the lakes. Hey?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right, we're at Ghyll Force here in Ambleside at the Waterfalls. So we'll go and check this out and see what it looks like. Right, back up we go, girls, don't fall. Right, well, that's our Lake District tour done, Langdale, and a little bit of Ambleside. We wanted to keep going a little bit up, further up to some of the higher falls, but Savannah is very tired. She's had a very busy couple of days up in the lakes and she's ready for a sleep. So that's it, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop us a like and a sub, and don't forget to share it with your friends. I've also got another channel which is focused purely on fishing, which is Hooked on Predator Fishing on YouTube. But please drop us a sub on this channel. We've got loads more coming, survival, camping, and all sorts of cool stuff coming out, my girls.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you all on the next adventure.